Hello.
Hi. Today we're in C&D Soho because we have made some macarons. They're in store. This is the first time ever.
Yeah, which is quite exciting, and I think they look dead cute on the counter.
So cute.
I loved it. We made 4 flavours. It was quite a long day yesterday. You'll see a bit of that footage a bit later in this video. It was really fun, but it was a lot.
A long time, lots of trays, lots of piping. We're really proud of these, and yeah.
What are they then?
Well,
Come
they
on.
are.
Oh
Okay,
my
the
gosh.
flavors. So they've got milk chocolate and passion fruit.
Which there is a video for.
There is a video for personal favorite. We've got cherry, tonka and vanilla, Neapolitan, and a butter caramel one. Popcorn. What the?
It's like he wasn't even making them.
No, no.
Where were you?
Well, some could say that I wasn't there. No, I was. Nikki has some questions back. They're in store now, and
You can come and get them.
well,
And
no,
you can
because people will be watching this
afterwards. You
afterwards.
can't come and get them. Sorry. If you came today, then thanks.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks a lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoy watching a bit of behind the scenes footage of us in our madness
Yes.
yesterday. It's a bit like Bake Off. 3,
2.
1.
Oh.
In the middle is a popcorn caramel, which we made by like infusing the cream with loads of popcorn and corn and salt. And then we've got like a malty, sweet, corny, salty ganache around the outside. That's really good. I don't know what's going on here, but I think he likes it.
Tonka really does come through
Yes.
in the white chocolate ganache. And then there's also an amarena cherry compote in the middle.
So good.
Really, really good.
And I think they work really well because I didn't even really know what tonka was, and it, like when we smelt it, when we opened the tin, it smelled like a cherry bakewell.
Yeah.
And so I was like, oh, it's gonna be perfect with the cherry.
Yeah, super kind of almondy. It's delicious.
Yes. Yum.
Today, Sally and I are making about 400 macarons. That's right, 400 macarons. They're gonna go in the shop. She took that. And yeah, we're just making the shells right now. Got some Italian meringue whipping. The sugar syrup is ready to go for the next one. Sally's weighing everything out. We've got a production line going. Yeah. Amazing. I've just put an oven thermometer in the oven because you never know. Never know.
Oh, I thought you were going to be like, we're going to do them again.
No.
We got them first back.
They look okay. This is the almond and icing sugar paste. It's got egg whites. You all know, if you've watched the macaron videos many times, this process will not be unfamiliar to you. Sally has gone to find some colouring because this one is going to be for the cherry and tonka vanilla.
I thought that's
Ooh.
quite cherry-ish. We made cherries.
Oh, we
What colours did
did!
we use? I don't know if you guys know, but we were on the Bake Off.
And I'm only mixing the colour into a little bit on the side because it's quite a lot of mixture to mix all this colour into. My arms can't take it. I did arms at the gym yesterday, guys. It's just too much. Okay, this is the most important part of making macarons. You don't want to overmix it, you don't want to undermix it, and the way to know it's ready is if it kind of flows off of the spatula like this. I mean, you just have to wait. Watch those kind of ribbons fall into the whole of the mixture. And if it's not quite completely fallen in like this, it's ready, because then you're handling it, putting it in the piping bag, piping it out, then it's going to get overmixed a little bit more. So this is perfect. I am the popcorn macaron. I didn't.
You said you're the macaron king.
Well, or some kings don't, you know, some kings have off days. Yeah.
Now it's finally time to pipe some of the macarons out. So We've got the batter in these little nozzles here, and I think it's a centimetre or like 1.1 centimetres. It's quite small, but we want them to be kind of small because they're going to spread anyway. We're going to go upside down and we're going to just squeeze, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and then whip. A bit like a tablecloth, but not a tablecloth. Pretty skilled. We just need to leave these to get a skin on them. So basically, like if we touched it now, it'd be really sticky and tacky, and we need to wait until it's got like a dry skin on the top. So we're just gonna leave them in the coolest part of the kitchen. The kitchen's very hot today. There's lots of people, there's lots of cakes. We leave them there.
I'm just finishing colouring 1/2 of the milk chocolate passion fruit shells. I've used a mixture of egg yellow, Egyptian orange, primrose and tangerine. Just a little bit of tangerine. I know it's quite a lot.
And I am doing the other half, the purple side. Because passion fruits are purple, right? And yellow? I don't even actually know.
Deep purple, yeah, the shell is like really deep purple. Almost brown, browny purple. And then the inside is, well, if you get a nice flesh one, then it's like orangey yellow. Sometimes they can be a bit green with the seeds, so look at the drawer.
This is TV gold, isn't it? 7. We've only got one more to do. We've just got the chocolate shells to go. We do have a bleeker burger arriving shortly. Praise be. Little fuel.
Okay, that is the last one piped. They're gonna bake, and then we need to fill them all.
Oh, sorry, I'm literally in the background detail. Okay, interview me.
What are you doing right now? What is that?
This is cocoa butter that we are painting into our shells.
Why?
Well, good question. Because we're gonna put like a really wet filling in the middle of the ganache. We don't want that to like soak into the shell and make the macaron really mushy. So we're just putting a little bit of cocoa butter on that's gonna go nice and hard and it's gonna like seal it.
Of the 4 flavours, what are you most looking forward to trying?
Most looking forward to trying the popcorn one because I love popcorn.
You are a popcorn gal.
Flippin' love popcorn. I love salty, sweet, malty, corny. Pleasantly surprised by tonka though. Who'd have thought it?
I know. Can you describe what it smells like to people that haven't smelled
so
it?
the tonka I thought was going to be vanilla-y. I thought it would be just a slightly different type of vanilla flavour.
Yeah.
But it smells, when you open it, it smells like a cherry bakewell, which is kind of mad. Like it's got that kind of frangipane, almondy, marzipan-y kind of...
It is very marzipan.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which actually I feel is going to work so well with the cherry filling. Like
That is
an actual
true.
cherry bakewell.
These macarons are gonna go in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow morning, we'll see you at the shop.
How exciting!